On a 97 GMC truck, which is the same for 96 to 99, but I'm changing out this windshield wiper washer motor. And this is the original one. And that one there is a Trico, and that's what that thing looks like when you pull it out. It's a Trico 11513, but just put a new grommet in there, which I can't do with one hand, of course. But anyway, when you want to test it out, you hook it up to the red wire, and you swap it around. Get the other end, and you put it on the ground. You turn the key on, and hit the wiper washer switch to verify that you have power. And when you pull this box, some of these vehicles have a box. And there's one secret bolt right there, and then there's a bolt that goes down through the body, through the access through the inner fender well. It's right here. It has a stud that sticks out there, and the two little clips, which one of them is busted, obviously. But that one bolt goes through here. It's accessible through the wheel well. So that pops it out, and that's what it looks like. Alright, so there it is. I got it put in. Kind of fits in there, and this Trico, the top of it kind of moves a little bit, so it lines it up. Yes, sir, that's transmission filter. And it's got this little cover that goes on there, like so. A little clip on the end, and some Velcro in the middle, which... Yes, sir. And that's how that goes in there, like that. This thing is full of windshield wiper fluid, so hang on a second, I need two hands. Alright, so the washer pump housing has two bolts in it. One of them's a 10 millimeter, one's an 8. And that 8 goes here. Can do it with one hand, that'll be nice. 8 goes there, and the 10 goes down here. Which, if it settles a little bit, you might need to move it around. That little bracket in there gets moved, so yeah, I'll have to do it with two hands. And then you put that small little toolbox thing, put it in that hole. Alright, so you set this thing down in there till that clicks. You tighten up that bolt there, and there's a bolt out here in the fender well. And then of course the lid, it just clicks back in there. Lid just clicks back in there like that. Probably can't even see what I'm doing because of the sunlight, but anyway, that's what it looks like.